When I got saved, I was just like, I was so amazed that, man, this guy really died for my sins. And I was like, I had a moment of truth. It's like this. I said, this is that moment of truth. Do you know that God shed his blood for you? Born to the world to die for us. Let me break it down now. Ain't no need to rush. Gave himself as a living sacrifice so that we could have a better life. Let me take you back to the Passion of Christ. Yeah. Seeing how they beat him right. Took all the whips on his back and his chest and the nails in his hand. Yeah, they pressed. Body filled with nothing but the blood. Cause your life is what you can think of. And he loves you beyond measure. Give his own life because yours, he treasured. You realize that we've been blood bought? He said, put it on my tab, I'll pay the cost. So you wouldn't have to worry about your sins. When you get saved, a new life begins. God rebuilds and he restores our life, getting back what the devil stole. That's right. And some still turn away from the kingdom, more interested on what the world brings them. See, they rather live moments of life how they want to. They still commit sins that they could die to, but don't let it be you. And I made my mind up like, nah, this God died for my sins, and I'm going to do whatever I can to make him proud. And when I made the decision, y'all, I met this awesome guy. Woo! Be more. I wish he was here, y'all. He's so fine. And I'm about to get married. This is so awesome. What I love about Brian the most, well, I love everything about Brian. What I love about him the most is that he loved me like Christ loved the church. And a lot of guys don't understand what that means to really love you like Christ loved the church. But that's the best thing in the world. Don't ever let a man love you less than what you worth. You know how much you worth? You worth more than rubies, girl. You don't let no guy play with your love. That is something serious. Your love is something serious. You're something serious. You're something serious. You're something serious, ladies. If a guy gonna love you, say, baby, look, you don't love me like Christ love the church. You know